Today we are going to talk about managing fears and anxiety in children. Many years ago, I introduced my children to Little Krishna. Because I am a Krishna lover, I thought ये तो natural है, बच्चे भी सीखेंगे stories, सुनेंगे कहानियाँ. But that caused a lot of anxiety in my son. I never imagined that would be the result of that cartoon. But he saw a small child being attacked by demons. And that caused him a lot of worry. He couldn't sleep at night, he used to cry a lot. There we had two options. While some of the family members chose to say, cartoon hi to hai beta, sachi thodi hai. But here we were confusing him. Because in the temple, while praying, we said, believe in Lord Krishna. He's the power, he can do anything, he's always there for you. He's going to protect you. We were confusing him completely. कि हो क्या रहा है यहाँ demons वो बच्चे के पीछे है. That is my Krishna or this Krishna that mom talks about who is larger than life. So that was where we had to acknowledge his feeling. We had to just pause and say, I can see that this cartoon is causing you a lot of worry. This movie is an exaggerated fact of what it is. And I can see that you're receiving it with a lot of worry, and this is causing you a lot of anxiety and fears. We had to simply acknowledge his feeling, simply see it the way he was seeing it, instead of justifying to him. When we try to justify, we're sending a message to the child that something is wrong with you. You are seeing it like this. This is not the truth. That confuses the child कि मुझ में कुछ problem है, मुझे डर लग रहा है, मुझे चिंता हो रही है. Eventually, he settled down. We stopped watching Little Krishna. I realized it was not the right age for him. He was not ready for that cartoon. He needed some time. Eventually, he started falling back to sleep. The crying stopped. As time progressed, when it was the right time, he accepted that cartoon with as much grace. When our children are facing fear and anxiety, as a parent, it is our first duty to acknowledge their feeling, to accept the feeling. जो है उनकी फीलिंग उसे सिंपली एक्सेप्ट कर लीजिए. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, आप ट्रैवल करने वाले हैं एंड योर चाइल्ड इज गोइंग टू स्टे एट अ रिलेटिव्स हाउस एंड इज थ्रोइंग अ टैंट्रम. एक्सेप्ट द चाइल्ड्स फीलिंग. आई कैन सी दिस इज कॉजिंग यू फियर एंड वरी कि आपको कहीं और रहना पड़ेगा. यू आर नॉट श्योर वहाँ कैसा होगा सिचुएशन, उसकी वजह से आपको डर लग रहा है शायद से. गिव द चाइल्ड इंफॉर्मेशन सो द चाइल्ड गेट्स क्लैरिटी. What is the situation going to be like? Don't give too much information कि आप अपने words में ही फंस जाओ and उनकी कोई नई वरी चालू हो जाए. Just factual, how much the child needs to know. Also give the child power to be in charge of the situation. What would they like to do that would make them very comfortable with this idea? Please उनको बता देना कि मैं रात को vegetables नहीं खाता हूँ. उनको ये भी बता देना कि मेरे रूम में लाइट छोड़ देंगे. कुछ लोग पूरा अंधेरा करके सोते हैं बट मुझे डर लगता है और आप भी नहीं हो. प्लीज़ उनको बता देना कि मुझे फोर्स नहीं करे खाना खाने के लिए, मेरा जितना मन होगा मैं उतना ही खाऊंगा. प्लीज़ उनको बोलना कि आप मुझे अलाउ करके जा रहे हो कि मैं वीडियो गेम खेल सकता हूँ रात को. सिंपल थिंग्स, सिंपल चॉइसेस, simple decisions, but that can change his comfort. Your assurance that he is in charge, and yes, you have taken care of everything he needs. And then offer a choice. If nothing works, beta, this is the situation, what would make you more comfortable? Should we do it this way or this way? What is the choice? Beta, would you like to stay at Masi's house or Chacha's house? Because mama has to go and we need you to be in care of some adult. Offer a choice. What is your possibility? Take it from there. You are the parent. You're in charge of how the child feels, but you are also in charge of how the child interprets the feeling for the rest of his life. So don't deny him his feelings. Accept whatever it is and help your child overcome the situation of fear and worry so that it doesn't become a lifelong pattern for him.